Back in early 2023, some of my friends started using ChatGPT to help us learn Spanish. That's when I started playing around with it myself. I ended up subscribing to ChatGPT Plus, and honestly, I was pretty excited. Since then, AI has continued to transform the way I learn languages and write code. These days, I mostly learn Python through English tutorials on YouTube. Even with Immersive Translate, I still got stuck a lot at first. I just wasn't familiar with technical terms in Python. To study more efficiently, I started collecting and reviewing all the new words from the videos. My goal? Quickly build up topic-specific vocabulary. Okay, let me show you how I do it. I'm currently following a 3-step strategy. Step 1, solving basic needs. Just kidding. I switch on Immersive Translate, stay focused, and just follow the creator's tasks. I code when they code. The goal of this step is to get through the full video efficiently and get a clear understanding of the overall structure. Step 2. I use YouTube Smart Chapters to skip straight to each section and jot the key points down. Back when I was starting out, I'd grab simple bits, like for loops and recursion, write a tiny demo, tag it, and stash it in my Notion for instant search later. If a video has no chapters, I just open the Clarity extension, click the summary button next to it, and it spits out a quick summary. The tool grabs the CC subtitles, auto-generates chapters for me, and makes it way faster to spot the takeaways. Later, when I'm reviewing and hit something I still don't get, I highlight it and let ChatGPT box handle the translation, polish, and clarification in one shot. But honestly, once you get past the beginner phase, you've got ditch that notes. Only keep the stuff that's still kicking your ass. And don't get too attached to notes. You don't really learn it by reading. You learn it by banging out code, line after line, until dead inside. Step 3. Time to learn English. YouTube's auto-generated subtitles are often inaccurate. That's exactly why you need to train your ears and use better tools. Use this video or whatever you like, best native speaker, as long as it has CC subtitles. I just dropped the share link into Applet, and it works with 60 subs. It turns the subtitles into a clean article, which I treat as my study material. I can save it as a PDF with a video covering on it. Super handy for review. Ritual vibes all the way. The site also lets me listen word by word in sync, which is perfect for shadowing and listening practice. Just keep listening, speaking, and memorizing, like how large language models work. Feed them enough data, and suddenly, new abilities emerge. But what if you come across a word you don't know while reading? No worries. Relingo evaluates your vocabulary level and automatically highlights the words you probably don't know. Super useful if you already know a bit of English. Just highlight any word to check the meaning and hear the pronunciation, and it gets automatically saved to your word list. And if you are staring at a paragraph thinking, I don't get any of these, then yeah, just turn on Immersive Translate and go for bilingual. No shame in that. Whatever helps you keep going. At the end, I threw all the new words from that topic into Quizlet and run through them. This trick also helps you get used to software menus that don't have translation in your native language. That way, I can get familiar with a bunch of vocabulary in a short time. The more you immerse yourself in English, the more natural it starts to feel. And honestly, I really enjoy that feeling. Now, if you are curious how these AI-powered transcription and subtitle tools work, let's talk about it. These tools are powered by ASR, Automatic Speech Recognition, and NLP, Natural Language Processing. ASR is a part that converts spoken audio into raw text. NLP is a type of machine learning that helps computers read, process, and understand human language. And tools like Applet handle exactly that part. If you want to build your own transcription tool, you'll first need an ASR model.
This is the Micro Machine Man presenting the most miniature motorcade of Micro Machines. Each one has dramatic details, terrific trim, precision paint jobs, plus incredible Micro Machine pocket playsets. There's a police station, fire station, restaurant, service station, and more. Perfect pocket portable.
어둠만이 나의 전부였던 동안 숨이 벅차도록 달려왔잖아. Never say time's up. 경계의 끝자락 내 끝은 아니니.
Models like Whisper turn audio into spectrograms and phase them into an encoder to extract features. Then, the decoder takes over and generates raw text. No punctuation, just words. Next, you'll need an NLP model. The model does three things: punctuation restoration, sentence segmentation, and text normalization. All of that happens inside a transformer, using embeddings and attention to decide what goes where. Under the hood, it's all about vector math, matrix operations, and similarity scoring. If you want to keep exploring the cyber world, use your imagination and follow Cyber Doctor. You've got way more you can build. Thanks to ScreenSync for sponsoring this video. All the small screen recordings and UI animation you saw were made with their tool. It helps you create clean, professional demos without using keyframes. The early bird deal is just $69. Check the link below.